going 1, 2, 3, 4 because mine kind of twice.
Okay, we got it.
Hey Bentley, so this is Bentley, formerly Chunk. We are leash training and cat testing a little bit. And so far, the leash training is going slow. The
It won't
cat
do it the other
testing,
way?
we're just doing initial.
Oh.
He seems pretty disinterested in the cat. I don't think he knows exactly what they are. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Are we going to work on a leash? Leash training, we're working on it. We probably need to have some hot dogs. Come on. If I had hot dogs, this would go much better. But this was pretty impromptu. Come on, buddy. Hi, buddy. Come on. It's okay. Good boy. Would you rather have me have a hot dog in my hand? We weren't really planning this. Come on.
Uh-oh. I don't know if it stopped. I think you got a message, okay.
Keep going. Come on. Come on. Well, it's a start. Again, I think the hot dog would have been much better. Come on. We're making it. Definitely need to work on leash training. Come on. Wanna walk towards the cats again? Let's check out the cats. It's okay. I owe you a treat.
He says there's somebody behind me. He
So
doesn't
I know I should have a treat right
Hang
now.
on, I'll get in front of him because
Can you give a crash?
he doesn't like me behind him, I think.
We'll get you a treat next time. I'm doing this wrong a little bit. Come on. Come on. Come on, my buddy. See kittens? Still a lot better than we used to. We just used to curl up in a ball and chew on the leash. So we're getting there. All right, you turn it off.
What do I hit? The same button?
Yeah.